Good morning, children. Welcome to the math session. So, in earlier video, we have solved first main and second main from exercise number 6.2. Now I am solving the third main from 6.2. Third main. Question number 1 is ax square plus bx. Question number 1, ax square plus bx. So both the sides a and x square, and another side b and x is there. So what is the common factor? So both the sides, what is the common factor here? The common factor is x, correct? So we take x as the common, remaining is what? Ax plus b. Because here two x values are there, one axis just came out, so remaining is what? Ax. So along with the b, x is there, so just we have taken x as the outside, the remaining value is what? B. So x into ax plus b is are the factors of ax square plus bx. Okay, children, solve the question number 2. 7p square plus 21q square. 21q square. So p square and q square are the two different terms. So we are not going to take p or q as a common factor. But we can take 7 as the common, because 7 is 7, 7 3s are 21. Correct? In table number 7 is there, as well as 21 is there. That's why we can take 7 is the common. So 7 means what? P square. 7 3s are 21. The remaining is what? Q square. Okay. The next question. Question number 4. AM square. Also question number 4. AM square plus BM square plus bn square plus an square. Okay. Here how many terms are there? 4 terms are there. Make a group. First group and second group. In the first group, m square is common. The remaining values are a plus b. In second group, n square is common. The remaining values are a plus b. Both the sides a plus b and a plus b is common. Just take a plus b is the common. The remaining values are what? M square plus n square. These are the factors of am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. Okay? Write down the answer. So one more question is there. Question number 7. So little bit different is there. I will solve that. Question number 7 is, this will solve here only. Question number 7. 5y square minus 20y. 5y square minus 20y minus 8z minus az plus 2yz plus 2yz. So make the group. First group, this is second group. In the first group, 5y is common, y minus 4. Because 5y means 5y square, 5 4s are 20. Correct? Here, take minus 2z. Because both sides z is there, it will become 2 4s are 8 minus, remaining is what? Y. Correct? 2z into 4 means 8, minus into minus plus 2z into y means 2yz. Because of minus into minus plus is there. But here both sides different factors we got. We got different factors. So how to change the values? What to do now? So 5y minus y minus 4 keep as it is, 5y minus 4 keep as it is, change the sign, make it plus, it will become 2z, this is minus 4, correct? Next term plus y, next step 5y, y minus 4 right as it is, plus 2z, first to write y, next to write minus 4. So both the side minus 4 and minus 4 is common. Y minus 4 just write first 5y plus 2z. You write next. These two are the factors of the question number 7. Okay? Write the answer. Okay children, next we will go to the question number 4th main. So 4th main is factorize. Okay. 4th main is also depend upon the formula. What is that? A square minus b square. I'll tell you how to use the formula. A plus b into a minus b. The question is a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Question number 1. A to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 is there. We have identity like a square minus b square. But the question is having the power 4. Okay. Means we have to convert question according to the formula. We have to convert question according to the formula, but we are not able to convert formula according to the question. Understand? Okay. So how to convert? First one, a to the power 4 is there. Formula is what? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A to the power 4 is there. A square the whole square. Okay, 2 to the 4, it will become minus b square is there. B square the whole square. Correct children? Okay, now tell me what is the a value? A square plus b value is what? B square. A minus b means a square, b value is b square. Just take the next step. A square plus b square right as it is, because we don't have a identity like a square plus b square. But here we have identity. What is that? A plus b into a minus b. So this is your final answer. Right. Question number 2. I'll solve it. P to the power 4 minus 81. P to the power 4 minus 81. What is the formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. How to write p square? B square the whole square. 81 means 9 square. Correct? 9 is 81. So b square the whole square means p to the power 4. 2 to the 4. Now what is the a value? Full of p square. What is the b value? 9. A plus b means what? P square plus 9. A minus b means what? P square minus 9. So p square plus 9, why as it is? How about p square minus 9? P plus 3, p minus 3. A square minus b square. 3 3 is 9. That's why p plus 3 and p minus 3. So this is your second answer. Okay, question number 3 is there. Question number 3 is x to the power 4 minus y plus z to the power 4. So question only looking little complicated, right? So how to solve this question? First to write the formula. The formula is what? A square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Correct? So later on, convert x to the power 4 like a square. How to write it? X square the whole square minus next term. What is that? Y plus z is there. How to write it? Y plus z whole square, again square bracket square. Because of 4 is there, I have taken 2 into 2. Now a plus b means x square plus y plus z whole square. X square plus y plus z whole square. A minus b means x square minus y plus z whole square. Correct? This is a plus b, that is a minus b. We can extend it, but just to keep this as the final answer. Okay? Right away. Okay, children, now I will go to the next screen. So the last main is one of the most important main, fifth main from 6.2. A square p square plus 6p plus 8. Number 1, p square plus 6p plus 8. Here we are not able to apply the conditional identity, that is a plus p whole square. We are not able to apply because 8 is there. So 8 is not a perfect square number. That's why we have to use a different method. Okay. So B, just practice this question because in 10th standard this question will repeat. Understand? For annual examination purpose, this question carries 1 mark. That is, find the factors. Understanding? Now you people are 8th standard, just practice it. So what to do? Multiply first into last. Just multiply first into last. A 8 into p square is plus 8 p square. Correct? Plus 8 p square. So now take two factors. The factors are, how to take the factors? If you multiply those two numbers, we should get 8p square. If we add or subtract, we should get 6p. What are those two numbers? So I will take plus 4p and plus 2p. Plus into plus, 4 2s are 8, p into p square. If you multiply these two factors, we will get 8p square. If you add these two, 4 plus 2 is 6. Now p square plus these two, 4p plus 2p plus 8. Now make the groups. First group and second group. Take p is common, p plus 4. Now take 2 is common, p plus 4. Both the sides p plus 4 is common. Now you just write p plus 4 one side and remaining side p plus 2. These two are the factors of p square plus 6p plus 8. Clear, children? Write an answer. I will solve one more question. That is minus question. Q square minus, you try third one. Q square minus 10q plus 21. Here also same procedure. First into last plus 21q square. Now take two factors. What are those two factors? Minus 7q minus 3q. Minus into minus plus 7 3s are 21. Q into q. Q square 7 plus 3 10. Bigger sign is minus. So you write it. Q square minus 7q minus 3q plus 21. First group, second group. So q is common. Q minus 7 minus 3 is common. Q minus 7. Both sides q minus 7 is common. Right here q minus 7. The remaining value is q minus 3. So these two are the factors of q square minus 10q plus 21. In the next session, I will explain you the exercise number 6.3. Till that, you just practice the sums. Thank you children. Have a nice day.